Hi, sweeties, it's Cinnamon, and today I decided to do a little bit of a speed build. I bought turnips from Daisy May for the first time in a while yesterday, and I realized I had nowhere to put them. So I thought it'd be a good idea to make a little turnip garden by my house and spruce up my yard a bit. It's a small speed build, but I hope you enjoy. Here are the turnips in question. I realize now that I could have just put them in storage, but I'd probably forget about them if I left them there. So this is the finished speed build. I'm really happy with the way it turned out. Sometimes just decorating the little areas on your island can make a big difference. I really had no idea what to do with this area or what to do when I thought of a turnip farm, but I hope to fit other farm and homegrown elements on my island, and this was an easy first step. As you can see, I really like to use lots of custom designs on the ground to make an area really look and feel special. I really do believe that just the little things can go a long way. Anyways, that wraps up today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to consider liking and subscribing. And if you want to comment below with more video ideas, I'd be very grateful. Anyways, have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.